everyone, today we are going to be making menudo. For this recipe you will need 4 pounds of beef trotters, 12 pounds of beef tripe. You will also need 12 guajillo chiles and 3 chile anchos. You will also need 1 onion, 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 garlic head, and 3 garlic cloves. You will also need some cilantro. In total, you will need 6 lemons, 3 to wash the meat, and 3 for toppings, 1 can of hominy. You will also need salt to taste. You will also need half a cup of white vinegar. I use these ingredients to wash the meat so the meat doesn't smell bad. Now that the meat is very clean, now we're going to fill a pot with a lot of water and we're going to put the meat, half an onion, garlic head, 3 bay leaves, a pinch of salt in, and we're going to let it cook for about 3 hours in the stove, but if you have an Instapot, it could take like about an hour. While the meat is cooking, I filled another pot in with water and we're going to add our chiles in here so we can make our salsa. We're also going to add 3 garlic cloves and a quarter of an onion. While we wait, we're going to start preparing our toppings. For our toppings, we have onion, cilantro, oregano, chile piquin peppers, and lemons. Our ingredients to make the salsa are ready, and now we're going to take them out and we're going to go blend them. Now we're going to blend it. First, we will add some of the water it was boiling in. We're also going to add a pinch of salt. We're also going to add the cumin and ground pepper. And we're going to add some oregano. And we're going to blend it all together. Now that it's all blended, we're going to strain it. This was everything that was left over. Now that our salsa is ready, we're going to put it to the side and we're going to go prepare the next step. Now I opened the can of hominy and we're going to wash it. I have already washed it and strained the water out. Here is where the meat was cooking. We're going to mix it well. And this is how the meat should look at this point. Okay, now we're going to add the hominy and we're going to mix well. Before you add the sauce, remove bay leaves, garlic, and onion. Now we're going to add the sauce. And we're going to mix well. Add some of the oregano and mix well. and add some salt. Now that it's ready, we're going to let it cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, the menudo is ready, and I'm going to show you how I'm serving my menudo. These are the toppings that we're gonna use. Okay, now I'm gonna start preparing mine. And that's how you make menudo. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.